Uniswap value equivalent to $5.9540 a coin. The present reach, $5.8680. $6.0150. The earlier day close, $5.8730. The change was plus 0.0810, plus 1.38%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.27, greatest cost $6.38, least cost $5.09. The normal for the month $5.66. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.91. Change for July 12.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. To start with, cost at $5.91, greatest cost $7.06, least cost $5.17. The normal for the month $6.02. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.95. Change for August 0.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at $5.95. Most extreme cost $6.69. Least cost $5.81. The normal for the month $6.18. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.25. Change for September 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $6.25. Greatest cost $6.25. Least cost $5.36. The normal for the month $5.91. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.76. Change for October 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else, cost at $5.76. Most extreme cost $5.76. Least cost $4.82. The normal for the month $5.38. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.18. Change for November 10.1%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $5.18. Greatest cost $5.18. Least cost $4.49. The normal for the month $4.92. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.83. Change for December 6.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $4.83. Most extreme cost $5.11. Least cost $4.45. The normal for the month $4.79. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.78. Change for January 1.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with, cost at $4.78. Greatest cost $5.93. Least cost $4.78. The normal for the month $5.26. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.54. Change for February 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.54. Greatest cost $5.54. Least cost $4.54. The normal for the month $5.13. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.88. Change for spring 11.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Initially cost at $4.88. Greatest cost $4.88. Least cost $3.81. The normal for the month $4.42. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.10. Change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $4.10. Most extreme cost $4.72. Least cost $4.10. The normal for the month $4.33. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.41. Change for May 7.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $4.41. Most extreme cost $4.96. Least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.58. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.64. change for June 5.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.64. Greatest cost $4.64. Muni to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $1.75. Greatest cost $2.12. Least cost $1.75. The normal for the month $1.90. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.98. Change for August 13.1%. United States dollars to Uniswapping scale equivalent to 0.1680 Uniswaps per $1. The present reach 0.1663, 0.1704. The earlier days nearby 0.1703. Change for now 0.0023. 1.35%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else, cost at $1.98. Most extreme cost $1.98. Least cost $1.54. The normal for the month $1.79. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.66. Change for September 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2025. Initially cost at $1.66. Most extreme cost $1.66. Least cost $1.29. The normal for the month $1.50. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.39. Change for October 16.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $1.39. Most extreme cost $1.72. Least cost $1.39. The normal for the month $1.53. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.61. Change for November 15.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $1.61. Most extreme cost $2. Least cost $1.61. The normal for the month $1.77. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.87. Change for December 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at $1.87. Most extreme cost $2.32. Least cost $1.87. The normal for the month $2.06. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.17. Change for January 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with, cost at $2.17. Greatest cost $2.70. Least cost $2.17. The normal for the month $2.39. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.52. Change for February 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. First and foremost, cost at $2.52. Greatest cost $2.59. Least cost $2.25. The normal for the month $2.45. Uniswap cost conjecture toward